This 1975 Toyota Corolla, right now, it's half sunk in a muddy swamp, broken, rusted, forgotten. But I see more than just a wreck. I'm going to restore this car, every inch of it, and export it across the ocean to a close friend of mine. A man who breathes classic cars. For him, this isn't just metal, it's memory, it's passion. Once she's reborn, this very Corolla will tear across seaside roads, turning heads and hearts wherever she goes. But before the shine, there's the struggle. Before the glory, the grit. Let me show you the journey, from this muddy grave, to a new life across the sea.